Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are doing a makeup look on the Joker this year. I feel like it's been quite a few years that they keep doing the Joker because all the Joker movies come around Halloween, but might as well do it this year, so here we go. So I wanted to show you guys this part. I already placed on my base, but I wanted to show you that I'm going to conceal my eyebrows to make it a little bit more nude. That way when I go in and do my green eyebrows, the green will definitely pop out during that formation. So what I did was just put some concealer on. This is the Maybelline concealer. I did a review on this video or this product as well. If you guys want to check that out, it's on my channel. I'm going to blend out this concealer, and of course after that we are going to set our entire face. The most important part, well, really not the most important part, but this is very important. Make sure you set your face with powder because you don't want your makeup moving throughout the night. So this is the same powder I use all the time. And of course you got to contour your face, chisel it out very well. If I was doing this on the day of Halloween, I will make my contour much darker, but for this video, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make it normal. I'm going to carve out my nose, blend it out. You guys know the normal stuff. You guys see this in every single video. And I'm going to put some powder underneath my eyes and the bridge because when we mess with this eyeshadow, I don't want it to mess up our entire face. So I'm going to take this bronzy brown color right here from my Morphe palette and placing that all over my lid. Now I'm going to go in with this dark purple from the same Morphe palette, placing this in the crease, and you just want to layer it on slowly until it gets darker and darker and until the darkness that you want, which is pretty dark for this look. Ta-da! Now I'm going to take this shimmery purple, which is such a vibrant purple, along with that kind of nude highlight color that I pointed to you guys. I'm going to mix both of those because I want this purple to really pop. I did it without that highlight and didn't work out really well, so I mixed it with that highlight, made it pop a little bit more. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know? You gotta do what you gotta do. Now I'm gonna go back in, and I took a little bit of black, and I'm just gonna place this on the outer corner to make a little bit more depth. It was looking a little light without this this little dark piece right here. It's crazy how a little bit of shadow can go a long way. And of course, make sure you blend because nothing looks worse than an unblended eyeshadow. In my opinion. So now I'm taking both these colors right here and I'm going to make this my inner corner highlight along with my nose bridge highlight. This is going to add the pop that you want. But honestly, this whole look is a whole pop. And remember, if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Feel free to ask me anything. I'm going to take that same purple from earlier and placing that in the lower lash line. And as you can see, it isn't as dark without that it isn't as vibrant without that highlight. So you really got to mix it with that highlight. I'm going to take my NYC eyeliner and draw my cat line off camera and also place this Kiss falsies on. Looks so gorgeous. And I'm back. I'm taking this Makeup Forever black eyeliner and placing this in the waterline. But that wasn't dark enough, so I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal, and this one's a little bit more darker than the one before, so just use whatever is dark. This is my favorite part. I'm taking this Hard Candy green eyeliner pencil, but I'm using it on my brows to carve out these green brows. Now, with this part, you guys are going to see that it was a little bit of a struggle. By the way, this color is called Kryptonite. So what I'm going to do is fill in my eyebrow shape as normal, but with this eyeliner. Sadly, this eyeliner was not the best, so we had to improvise. I actually got some green eyeshadow instead and went over this eyeliner, which isn't a bad idea to put this eyeliner on in the first place because the eyeliner acts as an adhesive to your eyebrow. So when you put on that green eyeshadow, it really sticks onto it and makes it really green. So that's how I achieve my green eyebrow look. Of course, you don't have to go this green if you don't want to, but you can always do like a dark green, but I think a green brows really brought this look together. Yeah, so right now we're filling in. What you want to do is be very careful when you're working with green. You don't want this green eyeliner to get all over your makeup, so I worked really slow and brushed it out at the same time. Same as the eyeshadow, you just want to work really slow and build up that intensity, because if you put too much eyeshadow on at one point, it'll drop everywhere and it'll cause a hot mess, and you don't want that. Should I sing to you guys? La, la. This is a critical part. You just want to feather it out to make your eyebrows still look somewhat realistic, but yeah. Again, if you guys have questions, let me know. This look was really fun to create. I can't wait to make my next one next week for you guys. I'm thinking maybe Harley Quinn, or if not Harley Quinn, then I'll do another clown look, but a little bit more sexy and a little bit more detailed than all of the other clown looks that I've done. Actually, the first time I did my clown look, I don't even think I recorded it, so I can probably create one for you guys. You can see what it looks like. And we got that going. How you guys like that green though? Am I right? So I'm taking this red lip liner by Too Faced. You can really get any. I also have Kylie 22 red lip liner and also Mary Jo K that I like to use. But for some reason I couldn't find those liners today, so I'm improvising. I'm using Too Faced red lip liner. You guys know the deal. Outline your lips, overdraw it if you would like, and really get around there. Actually, I lied. I think I used 22 lip liner to make the red smiley after this part. I think that's what I did. Okay, now that we lined our lips, I'm going to take what is this called? Ruby Woo by MAC Lipstick. I still have this tube from like a couple years ago. So I love this red. It's the most vibrant red I've ever placed on my face. It's a little bit drying because it's matte, so it's kind of tugs on your lips a little bit, but it's gorgeous. This is like the prettiest red I've ever seen. So you want to smack that on. What do you guys think about like a werewolf look? Should I do werewolf makeup? Like half girl, half werewolf? Like half Red Riding Hood and then half werewolf? I saw like a Instagram picture of it the other day and I was like, oh, this is cute. Some of my friends been tagging me in some stuff, like there was this clown face, but it was kind of like half clown, half human, and the half human part was like lifting up the face, kind of, so it looks like the clown was being lifted into the face. It's kind of hard to articulate, but it was pretty trippy. But I think I might do that clown one though, because the clown inspiration I saw was so cute. I might go with that one. Okay, so back to those lips. I was just talking to you guys about my ideas. So what you want to do is get close to the corners of your lips, and you want to draw the line outwards. You want to do this part really slowly because you want your lines to be even, because if you fuck up, sis, ain't no going back. Ain't no going back with red, let me tell you that. You either draw a bigger line, or you gotta start over. So what I did was start from the corner of my lips. If you smile, you can see the corners a little bit better, and you can draw a line straight outwards. That helps a bit. Right here, you can tell it's a little bit crooked, so I went back in and kind of drew it out a little bit more. And at one point in this video, I smudged it because I was fulcruming off of my face and then smudged the red lips. So just be really careful when you're working around your lips. Definitely smudges. And I think this is where I took 22 by Kylie Jenner, because it had a point at the end, so I really went back in with this lip liner and got in there. And if you want to intensify that red lip, because you kind of see the shade is a little bit lighter, you can take a little bit of a red matte lipstick, get it on a detailed pointed brush, and kind of go back in and fill that line back in to make it more pigmented, way more pigmented. But I think this lip liner did a pretty good job. But if you guys feel like it didn't work out, just go back in with your matte lipstick with a nice brush. And now I'm cleaning up the outline because this is where I smudged it. I'm just going to clean it up with some concealer with a flat brush and carve out that piece. Bam. Also, now that we're working on hair color, this hair color spray is from Walmart. It costs, I think, like $3 or whatever. What you want to do is shake it up really well. But you know what, guys? I don't recommend doing this in your room. Definitely do this in your bathroom. This is actually in my room, and it got everywhere on my counter, and my counter is actually white, so that was not good. Even though it looks like it's just spraying on my hair, it's actually spraying on the table as well. Yeah, and I actually got some of this on my nail. You can't remove it, so you really just got to get a whole new manicure. So anyways, I went to the bathroom, did my whole head, and then I popped in some green contacts. And now we're making this design right under the eye. So it kind of looks like, it adds a little cute detail to this Joker look. I'm taking this detailed pointed brush and really painting on this matte red lipstick. And you want to be very careful, very slow, and very steady when you work on this part, because sis, if you mess up, you gotta make that line bigger and bigger. And now I'm taking this Kat Von D eyeliner and drawing a J on the side of my face. You just want to make sure you're going the correct way. It took me a hot minute behind the scenes to figure out which way the J was going. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna just tell you guys straight up what happened. It did take me a second, but it is what it is. But we got it right, you feel me? And of course, again, be steady, and when you fulcrum, make sure you're not fulcruming on your red lips, because the red lips will smudge. Just a little tip, because that's what I did, and I want to help you guys out because I almost messed up this look, but we did it, guys. We freaking did it. How do you guys like this green hair though? Isn't it crazy? I think I actually look pretty good with green hair, not gonna lie. We're drawing the haha. I haven't seen the new Joker, but my best friend said that it's like really mentally stimulating, so maybe I'll end up watching it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye!